Well, hi there, I'm Noah Bradley and this is Handmade House TV. On today's episode, I thought I'd share with you a little bit of the behind the scenes, some of the challenges that I face in order to put together these videos. I think you might find it perhaps a little enlightening, but perhaps entertaining, and you'll have a little bit more sympathy for this old man. So stay tuned. Thought I would do an example of what it's like to actually create the films for Handmade House TV, and I've come out here in my field, and as you can hear, there's a plane blowing over right now, and I did the filming for this particular video, and of course I forgot to turn the camera on when I made the cut, so that film that can't be reproduced is now gone. I lost that opportunity, and I'm not certain, but now the wind has stopped now that I'd like to use it for a demo, but nonetheless the wind is gust just enough in order to interfere with the filming of this. And as you can hear, of all things, there's not a whole lot of cars that go down the road, but if I turn the camera on to do any filming, it tends to draw traffic like nothing else. And so a lot of times that folks will express why I'm not creating more videos, and that is that the alignment of everything coming into place. Now I'm feeling a few drops of rain come down. That it never fails that when you get everything ready, that everything comes against you. And you know, in a way, that's kind of the way it is when you're building a house. That you wait for perfection, and perfection never arrives. It results in you not really creating a start, and once it does take into place, then well, and there's another example, and that is a lot of times I stumble for words. That's difficult to come with as well. So my encouragement to you today is to showcase to you the problems that go in behind the scenes in order to create these videos, and that problems happen to us all, particularly when we're constructing our home. But don't let it stop you. Don't let it stop you from moving forward. Anyway, you guys take care. Thank you for tuning in here at Handmade House TV. We'll talk to you next time. Bye now. Okay, so down here in the corner of one of my pasture areas, alongside of where the wood line meets the grass field, it is a wow.